It's Abuti and Osi.
Dumela Osi.
Dumela Abuti.
Say hello to the children.
Dumela bana.
Let's learn some new words. Can you tell me what the word is for hospital in Setswana?
Bookelo.
That's right, it's bookelo. And what is the word for store in Setswana?
Lebenkele.
That's right, it's lebenkele. Now, what is the word for school in Setswana?
Sekolo.
Very good, it's sekolo. Can you tell me what the word is for church in Setswana?
Kereke.
That's right, it's kereke. And what is the word for house in Setswana?
Ntlo.
Very good, it's ntlo. So, we have bookelo, lebenkele, sekolo, kereke, and ntlo. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, Osi. See you next time.
Salas Intle.
Sentle.